Hello, my name's Sheila, and today I'm going to show you something a little bit different for us. This is our Swift Elegance Caravan, Swift Elegance 650 twin axle, as you'll see. It's a 2018. It comes with an alarm, and I'll show you a few more things. Come on ahead. So here you have your outdoor shower. Of course, you can see from the front you've got your storage, and that's the length of the front. And then round here you have your outdoor barbecue point, as well as access to storage under your sofa in the dinette area. Let's take a look inside. So here we are in the living area of the home. Of course, you'll see it has a lovely upholstery, lovely wood finish. Up the front here you've got your USB points, as well as additional plugs and a 12 volt as well. This table then pulls out, extends, and of course you have a table that comes with it. In this area you have your little lamps, your skylight, additional windows, and in here is your surround sound radio system. So of course your living area, it turns into the first double bed in this caravan. It is a 4-berth. In towards your kitchen area, going to start with your cocktail cabinet. Great asset to have in any caravan. And you also have Aldi heating in this system as well. So onto your kitchen. Here is your lovely kitchen counter, extendable, just to give you a bit more space. You have your large sink in here. You have a full cooker with 3 gas hobs and a hot plate, as well as your separate grill and oven. It also comes with a fitted microwave as well in here. And of course it comes with a separate fridge and your freezer. Good deep one there as well. Now, this is where the magic starts for this caravan. Take a look. So of course you have your separate shower in here. You'll also see around the side you've got a nice heated radiator there to keep your towels nice and warm for you when you get out. So here you have your toilet area. And then on the other side round here, you have your separate shower in the back. No way of hiding when there's plenty of mirrors, but that's a great thing. So you also have privacy. And this is into your main bedroom now. Come on ahead. Here you have your fixed double bed in here. Lovely master suite. We do have a setup for a TV point to come in this area as well. And here you have your storage below the island bed. And you'll see your removable carpets are in there, along with a spare wheel as well. So this caravan would be a dream for whoever ends up getting it. I personally love the upholstery, love the aesthetic, love the rear bed. Great. If you would like to know any more information about this vehicle or want to see how the beds are set up in the front, please contact me directly, either through marketing@thompsonleisure.com or give us a call on 028 9269 3999. Alternatively, you can drop a comment or message us directly on Facebook. Thank you.